Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Today I'm making these Rae Dunn inspired salt and pepper shakers. I saw this on Pinterest and fell in love with them. I found the skinny font on font.com, which is close to the Rae Dunn font. I then went to picmonkey.com and created my words. I placed them on a transparent background so I could use them with my Cricut. I then uploaded the words to Cricut Design Space. I sized them to fit the bottles. And then I cut and weeded the vinyl. I used this Rust-Oleum flat protective enamel on the bottles. And I used these salt shakers from Dollar Tree. They were 2 for $1. And here are my vinyl cutouts. If you don't have a Cricut and would like to purchase these vinyl cutouts, I'll leave a link in the description below. I took the lids off of both bottles and used painter's tape on the tops. I took the bottles outside and painted them. I took the tape off the tops of the bottles and realized I just didn't like the way they looked, so I decided to paint over them with Rust-Oleum chalk paint. I used 2 coats and let them dry. I applied the vinyl to the shakers using an old credit card and making sure I got the vinyl into the creases of the bottles. When I did this, some of the paint did come off, but I just went back over it with my white chalk paint. I think they turned out amazing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Check out my other videos to see how I made everything in the picture. I will leave links to each video in the description below. And make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload new videos. And thanks for watching.